How's it going, everybody? So I am about to go and dyno this car. I know there are a ton of dynos on these motors, but I've never seen one that was done on a rebuilt or a brand new stock B18C1. So that's kind of what I wanted to do with this. Most of them I've seen, and I don't blame them, because it's expensive to do, dynos and dyno tuning, but they would take it and do all this work to it and then go over there and get it tuned. But, people like me who just kind of keep it simple and stuff like that, I've always wanted to just see what, I guess a stock, or at least close to stock dyno would make. I plan to do other modifications to this, so this is kind of like a good baseline run for me. So I guess I'll get to the specs of the car. Basically, it's a rebuilt factory spec B18C1. Had it done last year. I put about 11,000 miles on it not too long ago. And then I just recently had the valves readjusted. So that's with the motor. It's got CT engineering, which is I guess I wouldn't say a copy, but a remake of the comp tank engineering cold air intake. And then for exhaust, again, when I had the car, the stock exhaust was really bad, so I just went ahead and found a original Tanabe G Medallion exhaust and put it on. I think it's like 2.25 inch exhaust. So pretty much other than that, that's about as stock as it gets. I wish I could say I could get a dyno of like a completely stock motor, but I think this is pretty darn close. So if I decide to go headers down the line, I at least have a good baseline for to see what the change is between these stock headers and the whatever header I choose. Probably looking towards that PLM, JDM. I guess the PLM, what is that, the Toda knockoff header, and PLM telescoping catalytic converters. I guess you need both of those to make sure it fits. But anyway, let's go see what this thing can make.